So I brought us back to the holographic city. They used to call it Sin City, but I call it holographic city. Because when I come here, this is what I see. The biggest magic trick of all. I would never come here and gamble. No way. How would you know if you really are winning or losing? Everything seems to be holographic. But check it out. Isn't that something? Come on. It gets stuck or something. I don't know what it does. Ah, man. Wow. Isn't that something? Okay. It's enough holograph for now. We'll come back another time. Wow, wow, wow.